Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast Oneplus 9RT phone into the smart TV. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to settings. Then you need to choose the option called connection and sharing. You need to open that. Then in the bottom, you can find the screencast option. You need to click that. Then click agree and continue. Then enable the screencast. Then allow the permission and turn on the Bluetooth. Then again click permission. You need to turn on the location permission also. So it will open the app info page. You need to click the permissions. Then click location and allow all the time. Now you need to return to the main menu. Then now enable that. It will searching for the Smart TV. Now you can choose your Smart TV from the list. So I will choose Redmi Smart TV from here. Then click Start Now. Now the phone screen is displayed into the TV. So you can watch YouTube videos or playing games. Otherwise you can see your gallery photos also. So it's very useful feature. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.